Hello, everybody. Um, I'm here to make an announcement, official, uh, regarding a through hike I plan to do next year. I know I've spoken about it with close friends and my inner circle hikers and stuff, but it was suggested to me that I should make it official and go on record. Um, I have already set up my registration for the AT in the US starting on my birthday in February 24th. To be 29 again. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I've made all the arrangements. I'm registered with the ATC. If you want to follow along, you can follow along with the videos, but also I have Ramdino, I believe his name is. He's going to be doing some videos on my progress there as well. I'm going to start from Springer Mountain, Georgia, go up to Maine, and I'm going to keep going. I want to go right up into Canada, do the New Brunswick section, up to Matapedia, which is where I was this year earlier. I actually started in Matapedia and went to Cap Gaspé. And I might do that again, actually. I really, really enjoyed the Quebec section. But again, we'll see how far I get and how fast I get. Because I'm leaving in February, there's going to be some issues that I'm going to have to contend with. Number one, that early in the season, if I get up to elevation, there will be some snow that I would have to deal with. Some, I wouldn't say inclement weather, but I have to be prepared for different kinds of weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with a different loadout than I will end up with. So it'll be a bit heavier. My base weight will be a bit heavier because I'm going to be carrying a heavier pad, a heavier quilt, and perhaps a couple of extra layers of clothing, which will be fine. That's fine. I start off slow and easy, just like I did this year. When I considered doing this last year, I had made a small announcement, not really an announcement, but just my intention to possibly do that next year if I was in shape to do it. Well, I've gone on numerous shakedown hikes. Algonquin, like I say, I did the IAT in Quebec. That was 640 kilometers. What else did I do? And I'm going again. I'm even doing not in the snow, but in those types of temperatures in a couple weeks in November. Again, just to test everything out, make sure, lock everything down, make a few last minute changes, gear-wise, etc. I have a new pack coming. The problem is I've lost so much weight. The pack I had doesn't fit me. It's too big. So now I'm going to buy a pack that is adjustable, that will work with me. I can interchange straps and belts and all that other stuff because your torso height, it'll stay the same. But anyway, so those are some of the considerations I was looking at, and also what shape I was in too. At the beginning of this year, I was in pretty rough shape physically. And with all the hiking and everything, like I'm down 20 pounds. I have pretty advanced COPD, which is another reason why I need to do this while I still can. And the more you move, I don't know, anybody that has COPD knows this, but the more you move, the more you use it, the better off you are. If you don't use it, you lose it. So. And that's what I have been doing. So I feel like I'm in great shape. I feel like I'm ready to tackle this. Will I be doing 40, 50 kilometers or miles a day? No. I'll be cruising along, smelling the flowers. If I'm in some remote areas, I'll bring a drone, put it up, really, really absorb myself in the process of it, right? Because I just love being out there. That's my thing. The camping, you know, there's the hiking side and there's the camping side, and don't get me wrong, I don't mind the camping, but if I've done many kilometers in one day, when I get to camp, I just want to eat and crash. That's pretty much it, you know. So my focus won't be so much on the camping side of it as it will in the actual hiking and the views and because I mean, I'm so looking forward to some of these very iconic places that I've never seen before. You know, Neil's Gap, a few places. I don't even know the names of some of them, you know, a Cafe Knot, whatever. Anyway, so that's my plan. It's official now. There, I've done it. I've said it. I've wanted to do it all year. I've worked all summer towards this end. And yeah, and I hope you all follow me along on this journey. I will be doing pretty extensive videos, and I hope I can offer you something to look at, something to enjoy. Please comment below, and as always, like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. It really helps the channel. The channel's just starting, so but it's growing very quickly. So next year we'll be adding some chapters to it. There'll be some more gear reviews. I'll do a gear review loadout, you know, principal loadout, and then my change. Because once the hot weather comes, I will be changing my gear out, swapping my gear out for much smaller, lighter stuff in the summer months, or in the warmer months, you know. And I may even end up having to switch back, you know, if by the time I get up to New Brunswick and it's maybe September or something and it's a little cooler, I may switch back. I don't know yet. So again, and that's what hikes are. They're a beautiful thing. I'm also going to do a video about planning, like what I've done to plan. I think there's just way too much content there to address, you know, all here. And again, it's time dependent. So we've got, you know, 3 months before this happens. Oh, almost 4 months now. But I, in fact, might be going a little earlier down to Florida to visit friends and so on, and then just go from there in February. But anyway, I hope you join me. I hope you join me for this adventure, and I hope to see you out there. Okay, thanks, guys.